How to reset WhatsApp end-to-end encrypted password. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to show you how we can reset our WhatsApp end-to-end encrypted backup password. So let's just get started and let's see how we can restore or reset it. So open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and for Android, tap on the three dot at the top right corner and head over to the settings. After going to the settings, you're going to go ahead and click on chats. And after you reach chats, you're going to go to the chats backup section right here. So when you reach to the chat backup section, you will see an option that says change or reset password when you go to the end-to-end encryption. So if you have already accessed and turned on this feature, you will be seeing a change or reset password. So tap on that to begin the reset process, and you will be prompted to enter a new password for your backups. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, and after resetting your password, you can create a new encrypted backup with your new password. And that is it. Hopefully now you know how you can reset or restore your WhatsApp encrypted backup password. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips, and see you next time.